Good morning, students. In last class, we start exercise 15.3 and we complete questions from 1 to 6. Question number 1 to 6 are we completed. Now we start question number 7. Question number 7 is in the figure. There is a quadrant ABMC. There is a quadrant ABMC. This is a quadrant. What is quadrant? Quadrant is the 1/4 part of circle. Okay. So there is a quadrant ABMC of a circle with radius 14 centimeter and with BC as diameter. With BC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Find the area of shaded portion. This is question number 7. So ABMC is a quadrant and BC is the diameter of semicircle. BC is the diameter of semicircle. Semicircle is BNC. BC is the diameter of semicircle. Okay. Find the area of shaded portion. We want to find out area of shaded portion because radius of circle is 14 centimeter. Radius of circle is 14 centimeter. So AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC is also 14 centimeter. First we find area of a quadrant. Area of a quadrant is 1/4 pi r square is equal to 1/4 into 22/7 into radius is 14 multiply 14, that is 7 to the 14 and 2 to the 4 to 11 ja 14 multiply 11. 14 multiply 11 is 154 centimeter square. This is the area of a quadrant because area of a quadrant is 1/4 pi r square. Area of a quadrant is 1/4 pi r square. So area of a quadrant, it means ABMC. This is the quadrant. Area of a quadrant is 154 centimeter square. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into, because triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Quadrant have angle is 90 degree. So angle A is 90 degree. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. So area of triangle ABC is 1/2 multiply base multiply height. AC multiply AB is equal to 1/2 multiply. AC and BC are both equal sides. 14 multiply 14. 2 7 and 14 7 ja 98 centimeter square. So area of triangle is 98 centimeter square. Now in triangle ABC, because triangle ABC is right angle triangle, now we want to find out side BC because BC is the diameter of semicircle. This is given in question. BC is the diameter of semicircle BNC. In triangle ABC, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. that is BC is equal to square root of AB and AC both are equal, so 14 square plus 14 square. 14 square is 196 plus 196. We can also write in simple form 2 multiply 196, that is 14 square root 2 centimeter. Square root of 196 is 14 and square root 2 is same. 196 plus 196 we can also write in 2 multiply 196. It means BC is equal to 14 square root 2 centimeter, and because BC is the diameter, so diameter of semicircle is equal to BC is equal to 14 square root 2 centimeter. There implies radius of semicircle we represented by capital R. Small r is the radius of circle. Small r is the radius of circle and capital R is the radius of semicircle. So radius of semicircle is 14 square root 2 divided by 2, that is 7 square root 2 centimeter. So this is the radius of semicircle. Radius of semicircle is 7 root 2 centimeter. Now we want to find out area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is 1 upon 2 pi r square is equal to 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 square root 2 multiply 7 square root 2. 7 cancelled by 7, that is 2 11 is 22 is equal to 11 multiply 7. 11 multiply 7 multiply root square root 2 multiply root square root 2, that is 2. It means again 154 centimeter square. This is the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is 1 upon 2 pi r square. 1 upon 2 pi r square we get 154 centimeter square. Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, we can also say that shaded portion. Area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Is equal to area of semicircle is 154 minus area of quadrant is 154 minus area of triangle is 98 centimeter square is equal to 154 minus 154 and minus plus 98. 154 minus 154 is 0 is equal to 98 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is 98 centimeter square. So in this question, what is given? Given that is ABMC. ABMC is a quadrant and BC is the diameter of semicircle. Semicircle is B and C. Okay. So because radius of circle is 14 centimeter, it means AC is radius and AB is also radius. And these are the sides of triangle. So AB is equal to AC is 14 centimeter. Area of a quadrant 1 upon 4 pi r square, we get 154 centimeter square. Then area of a triangle, because this triangle is right angle triangle, because in quadrant angle is 90 degree. So area of triangle ABC is 1/2 AC multiply AB. We get 98 centimeter square. Then in triangle ABC, we want to find out diameter of semicircle, because diameter of semicircle is not given. So we find diameter of semicircle, it means BC, and BC is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. We get BC is 14 square root 2 centimeter. Then this is diameter. So diameter of semicircle equal to BC is 14 root 2 centimeter. That is radius of circle is 7 root 2 centimeter. Now area of a semicircle. Area of semicircle is half pi r square. We get 154 centimeter square. We want to find out area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, it means this region, this portion. Area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle. Area of semicircle minus area of a quadrant. एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट, एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट में से अपन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल माइनस कर देंगे. एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट में ए बी एम सी ये कंप्लीट एरिया आएगा. ओके, इसमें से अपन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल माइनस करेंगे तो ये रिमेन रहेगा, और इसको अपन किस में से माइनस करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल में से ये माइनस करेंगे तो ये रिमेन रह जाएगा. ओके, सो वी राइट एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेंट माइनस एरिया ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल. एरिया ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेंट में से एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल माइनस करेंगे, जो रिमेन रहेगा उसको अपन एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल में से माइनस करेंगे तो अपने पास क्या आएगा, 98 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. क्लियर? ओके, दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. If you have any confusion in this solution, you can call me, because this question is important question. Now next, question number 8. Question number 8 is again in the given figure. AB is the diameter of circle. Suppose this is any circle. In this question, AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter of circle. AC is equal to 6 centimeter. AC is 6 centimeter. And BC is 8 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter. Find the area of shaded portion. In this question, area of shaded portion is this. You can also see in your book, because you all have maths book. Okay, so we want to find out area of shaded portion. Because angle C is 90 degree in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. This is given. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree and AB is the diameter of circle. AB is the diameter of circle. Because angle C is 90 degree, so triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. We want to find out AB. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, that is AB is equal to square root of AC. AC is 6 whole square plus BC is 8. That is AB is equal to square root of 36 plus 64, that is 100, and square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. So diameter of circle is equal to 10 centimeter, that is radius. Radius of circle is equal to 5 centimeter. Because diameter of circle is 10 centimeter, so radius is 5 centimeter. Now area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square is equal to 22 upon 7 multiply r 5 multiply 5. Area of circle is pi r square 22 upon 7 multiply 5 multiply 5. We get, after solving, we get 78.57 centimeter square. Then area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC. Because triangle ABC is again right angle triangle, so area of triangle ABC 1 upon 2 multiply base multiply height, it means AC multiply BC is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply AC. AC is 6 multiply 8, that is 24 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC is 24 centimeter square. We want to find out area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle minus area of triangle. That is, area of circle is 78.57 minus 24, that is we get 54.57 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle. Area of circle minus area of triangle. Area of circle is 78.57 minus area of triangle is 24. We get 54.57 centimeter square. So in this question we want to find out area of shaded region. For this finding area of shaded region, we find area of circle and area of triangle. Area of circle minus area of triangle, we get area of shaded region. Clear? So this is question number 8. In this question we have sides AC and BC and angle C is 90 degree. Because angle C is 90 degree, it means opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So AB is the hypotenuse. So first we find out AB, it means diameter of circle. Okay, so diameter of circle is 10 centimeter, diameter is 10, so radius of circle is 5 centimeter. With the help of radius we find area of circle and area of triangle. Then area of circle minus area of triangle, we get area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is 54.57 centimeter square. So by using this method we solve question number 8. Now next is question number 9. Question number 9 again is very important question. Find the area of shaded design of the given figure where ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. In this ABCD is a square. In this question have designs. ABCD is square with side 10 centimeter. In this question we want to find out area of shaded region. This region is shaded. This region is shaded. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square with side 10 centimeter. ABCD is a square with side 10 centimeter. Suppose O is the center. O is the center point of square. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Squares as the diameter 4 semicircles are drawn. The square as the diameter 4 semicircles are drawn. 4 semicircles. Suppose first semicircle is BOC. Then AOB, AOD and COD. These are the 4 semicircles. So we want to find out area of shaded design, because side of square, how many? Side of square is 10 centimeter, that is diameter of circle. Diameter of semicircle is also 10 centimeter. Side of square is 10 centimeter, so diameter of semicircle is also 10 centimeter. That is radius. Radius of semicircle is 5 centimeter, because diameter is the double of radius. Diameter is the double of radius. Let unshaded portions are. Let unshaded parts are. Suppose this have total 4 shaded part. This design have total 4 shaded part and 4 unshaded part. Let this is first, second, third and fourth. This unshaded part is first, this second, this part third and this part fourth. Okay, unshaded parts are first, second, third and fourth. Now we want to find out area of part first. Area of part first plus area of part second. Area of part first plus area of part second is equal to area of square area of part first plus area of part second is equal to area of square minus area of semicircle. Area of square minus area of semicircle. AOD plus area of semicircle BOC. Area of part first plus area of part second. It means first we find out area of unshaded part first plus second. Part first plus second is equal to, we can write area of square. Area of square minus area of semicircle AOD. Semicircle AOD and plus semicircle BOC. तो कंप्लीट जो स्क्वायर का एरिया है, इसमें से अपन सेमी सर्कल AOD एंड सेमी सर्कल BOC का एरिया माइनस कर देंगे, तो अपने पास फर्स्ट और सेकंड अनशेडेड पार्ट का एरिया आ जाएगा. क्लियर? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज साइड स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इज 1/2 पाई r स्क्वायर 1/2 pi r square is equal to side is 10 centimeter. 10 square minus half pi r square plus half pi r square, it means pi r square minus pi r square is equal to 100 minus 22 upon 7 multiply r. Radius is 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter, that is 100 minus 110 multiply 5 upon 7. Area of part first plus area of part second is equal to, area of square minus area of semicircle AOD plus area of semicircle BOC. Because in this question value of pi is given. In this question value of pi is given, that is 3.14. 3.14 multiply radius is 5, so 5 square. 100 minus 3.14 into 25, that is 100 minus 25 multiply 3.14, that is 78.5. Because in this question value of pi is given, value of pi is 3.14. Value of pi is 3.14. So we put value of pi is 3.14, and after multiplication we get 100 minus 78.5 is equal to 21.5 centimeter square. Similarly, area of part third plus fourth, area of part third plus fourth is equal to, again area of square minus area of semicircle, area of semicircle AOB, area of semicircle AOB plus area of DOC, semicircle DOC. Again area of square is side square minus area of semicircle, it means pi r, half pi r square plus half pi r square is equal to side, it means 10 square minus pi r square. Half pi r square plus half pi r square is equal to pi r square. 100 minus, again we put 3.14 multiply r is again 5 square. So again we get 100 minus 78.5 is equal to 21.5 centimeter square. 21.5 centimeter square. Now area of shaded region. area of shaded, डिज़ाइन बोल दो, रीजन बोल दो. area of shaded design region is equal to area of square ABCD. Area of square ABCD minus area of part first plus second plus third plus fourth. Area of square again side square, it means 10 square minus area of part first plus third. Area of part first plus third is area of part plus first plus second. First plus second is 21.5. So 21.5 plus 21.5. Area of part first plus second and third plus fourth. Part first plus part second 21.5, part third plus fourth is also 21.5 centimeter square. So 10 square is 100 minus 43. Area of shaded design is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of semicircle. It means area of part first, second, third, fourth, that is 57 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded design. Area of shaded design, we can also say that area of shaded region. So question number 9 is also important question. In this question, side of square is given 10 centimeter. Because side of square is 10 centimeter, it means diameter of semicircle is also 10 centimeter. That is radius of semicircle is 5 centimeter. Now area of part first plus area of part second, it means area of square माइनस एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल AOD प्लस एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल BOC. अपन फर्स्टली क्या कर रहे हैं, ये जो पार्ट फर्स्ट है और पार्ट सेकंड इसका एरिया फाइंड कर रहे हैं. तो इसके लिए अपन क्या करेंगे, जो टोटल एरिया है स्क्वायर का, इसमें से अपन क्या करेंगे, ये जो सेमी सर्कल है AOD और ये जो सेमी सर्कल BOC है, इन दोनों का एरिया ऐड करके माइनस करेंगे. तो अपने पास ये अनसाइडेड पार्ट का एरिया आ जाएगा फर्स्ट और सेकेंड का. सिमिलरली पार्ट थर्ड और पार्ट फोर्थ का फाइंड करेंगे. एरिया ऑफ शेडेड डिज़ाइन क्या होगा, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ABCD. अपन शेडेड डिज़ाइन का एरिया निकालना है, तो स्क्वायर का जो एरिया है इसमें से ये जो पार्ट फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ है, जो अनशेडेड पार्ट है, इसका अपन स्क्वायर के एरिया में से माइनस कर देंगे. तो अपने पास एरिया ऑफ डिज़ाइन आ जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज also important question. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is, in the given figure radius of a semicircle is 7 centimeter. Question number 10. Here radius of semicircle is 7 centimeter. Radius of semicircle is 7 centimeter. Find the area of circle formed inside the semicircle. Because radius of semicircle is 7 centimeter, so radius of circle inside the semicircle is 7/2 centimeter. 7/2 centimeter. In this question we want to find out area of shaded region. It means area of inside circle. So area of shaded region is equal to it means area of circle inside the semicircle is equal to pi r square, that is 22/7. 7/2 multiply 7/2, 7 cancelled by 7, 11 77/2 centimeter square. 77/2 centimeter square, that is we can also write 38.5 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. We can also say that area of circle inside the semicircle. आप बुक में क्वेश्चन देखना अच्छी तरह से. एक सेमी सर्कल है, सेमी सर्कल के अंदर फिर से सर्कल बना हुआ है, उसका अपने को एरिया निकालना है. वही शेडेड डिजाइन है. तो पहले अपन ने क्या किया, जो इनसाइड सर्कल है, रेडियस ऑफ ए सर्कल इनसाइड द सेमी सर्कल इज 7/2 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज रेडियस ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. सो रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल inside the semicircle is 7/2 centimeter. Then area of circle inside the semicircle is pi r square. We put the values of pi and radius, we get 38.5 centimeter square. Clear? This is the question number 10. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is the sum of the circumference of two circles with radius r1 and r2 is equal to the perimeter of the circle with radius r. Choose the correct option. In this question, sum of the circumference of two circles with radius r1 and r2. Sum of circumference is equal to perimeter of the circle, perimeter of circle with radius r. Sum of circumference of two circle with radius r1 and r2. So circumference r 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r because circumferences of two circles, the circles have radius r1 and r2. So circumference of first circle which have radius r1 is 2 pi r1 and the circle which have radius r2 is 2 pi r2 is equal to perimeter of circle r. Perimeter and circumference both are same. Perimeter and circumference. So perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. We get common is 2 pi, remain is r1 plus r2 is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi cancelled by 2 pi, result is r1 plus r2 is equal to r. r1 plus r2 is equal to r. ये रिजल्ट राइट होगा. इट मीन्स ऑप्शन ए इज राइट. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. बिकॉज circumference is 2 pi r and circumference is also called perimeter. Circumference is also called perimeter. Now question number 12. Question number 12, this is the last question of this exercise. Question number 12 is the circumference of the inner circle of a square. Inner circle of square. देखिए क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो डायग्राम बनेगा वो थोड़ा सा इस टाइप का बनेगा. ओके in this question the circumference of the inner circle of a square with 14 centimeter. ABCD is square. ABCD is square have side is 14 centimeter. Okay, the circumference of the inner circle of a square with side 14 centimeter. अपने को क्या फाइंड करना है? सर्कमफ्रेंस फाइंड करना है. किसका फाइंड करना है? सर्कल का, ये सर्कल स्क्वायर के अंदर है, ये जो सर्कल है वो स्क्वायर के अंदर है। स्क्वायर की साइड कितनी है 14 सेंटीमीटर, इट मीन्स डायमीटर ऑफ सर्कल, बिकॉज साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 14 सेंटीमीटर, so diameter of circle is also 14 centimeter, that is radius of circle is 7 centimeter. We want to find out circumference, because circumference of circle is 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 cancelled by 7, 22 to the 44 centimeter. This is the circumference of circle, 44 centimeter, it means option B is right. So this is the last question of this exercise 15.3. In this question, side of square is given and in circle we want to find out circumference of in circle. So because side of square is 14 centimeter, that is diameter of circle. Diameter of circle is also 14 centimeter, that is radius of circle is 7 centimeter, and circumference of circle is 2 pi r. We put the value of r, we get 44 centimeter. Clear? So your chapter is completed. You complete all exercise, and if you have any confusion, any doubt in any question, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, thanks.